It's basically providing strategic goals and effective governance and management and IT process. Okay. So basically you can say that here we have IT processes. First of all, understand like onboarding in the company. Okay. Any onboarding in the company, any offboarding in the company. Okay. Or you can say any IT security policies, you can say processes, and you can talking about here like what are the scope definition. Okay, what should be the approach you're going to working on the same at the governance point of view, organization level point of view, and governance and management, what should the objective, what should the processes, and what are the enables. So you heard about one other thing is CMMI,
Yeah.
capability maturity model integrations. Okay, so in
Hmm.
this particular we have phases. Okay, like we have how your process is going to be, this is how your process is going to be best in the company. Okay, like level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 kind of level 4, and we have some level 5. So the company have the level 5, there is no scope of the changes, but yes, they're going for the improvement all the time of the processes like onboarding process, offboarding process, and IT process, you can say that here. So that's what the core bit is. What are the objectives we have in the company, what are the processes, and how do we enable all those processes. But you can say other side, the ITL, suppose you want to create, we're talking about some project management point of view. So yes, you're going to project initiates project, okay, going to so set the objectives, set the goals, governance point of view, baseline policies, okay, standards, what's the baselines, what are the basically processes you going to following it. That's all are the part of the COVID actually related to your project management point of view, okay, project executing point of view. But in the other hand, basically frameworks for IT service management. Okay, so what kind of service you have to deliver actually, you can set here. Okay, and then it's basically enables services with the business needs through the best practice with the service management. So I would say that here, suppose we have the company. Okay, like this is the company. Okay, you can say this is the bank. So Daniel, we have different kind of services are working over there in your bank.
Yeah.
So first of all, you have to define what the different kind of services you have. Okay,
Yeah.
different kind of services do you have, and after that, how do you managing all those services you can set here in the company? Okay, and then you need to be what once you have defined all those services, you have how to managing all those services. So what is the improvement area? What is how do you deliver the particular services in the effective manner actually, which is going to providing the value for money, right, to the customer? You can set here, right? So example, I'm talking to you, Daniel.
Hmm.
I'm a customer. I'm going to coming to your bank. Hey Daniel, I want to open my account. Okay, so your banking, okay, is going to be providing the services of the opening the account. Okay, the people are in the company is going to opening account actually, you can set here. So what kind of smooth process you're going to providing to the customer to opening account? What kind of service you're going to providing it? What kind of value to your customer, you can say that here. What kind of delivery you going to providing to the customer? Hey, Mahesh, why do you going to come to the bank? You just stay away, stay at your home. You can go to the website, you can go online, open your account in the bank. Okay, that is the services basically you are providing it very effectively, very efficient, I would say here. Understand?
Yes.
First thing is the banking point of view. Second thing, Mahesh, the IT service management point of view, you can set here. So in this company, we have different kind of processes going on. Okay, example, I would say here like incident management. What do you mean by incident management, Daniel? If you're talking about here, if what is incident management? What is the change
Hmm.
management? Change management. Okay, what is the configuration management? Config management. What is the release management? Okay, change management. Okay, the configuration management, release management, incident management. Do you know all those terms? Different kind of services all about. And then we have talking about some problem management as well. Okay, so I'm going to provide you a very basic example right now here, Daniel. Suppose this is your server, okay? That's your server, and that is the server is Exchange server, okay? Exchange, or you can say simply mail server, okay? So this is the client, okay, in the bank. They are not able to access any emails in their folder. What could be the problems? How do you resolve all those kind of things? What is the process actually? I'm just talking about process. I'm talking about some services. I'm talking about how a customer and the banking are going to be working together with the help of the ITIL basically. Any experience, any exposure you want to sharing to me regarding the same? Like the customer don't receive the emails or they are not able to connect to the Exchange server. So it can be any kind of problem, my dear. It can be any kind of issues. Incident can be happen. So how you can help it out step by step, not technical. I'm talking about management and service management point of view. Yes. Are you there?
Yeah, yes. Sorry. Are you asking me or?
Yeah, I'm asking to you that
Hmm?
this is your bank,
Okay.
okay, and that is you can say it's your client, the customer. Customer is facing the problem right now. The emails are not coming to his inbox, or the emails are not going to be configured. Emails have any problems, not
Okay.
syncing kind of things. So
Okay.
as a ITL subject matter expert, and
Hmm.
you are basically how do you resolve kind of things? I'm talking not about technical point of view. I'm talking about management service level point of view, step by step. Anything you can tell
Okay.
to your
So,
experience. Yes.
so the incident first has to be recorded. I mean, like, so we know the response time and the resolution time can be recorded also because every service has its own SLA, right?
Mm-hmm,
So once it has been recorded and then it will be passed through to the solver. We have like level one solver. If if he or she cannot resolve, and then it goes to level two solver, the business partner on the, and then if it's not resolved, and then it goes to level three, the principal. But during that time, the record will be monitored. I mean, if at some point it breaks the SLA, it will, I don't know, we call the like incident manager to solve whether, if it's the a big case. I mean, if it's down, if the server down, we have to, I mean, initiate whether you have to switch over to DRC or call for meeting for to solve the problem.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Yes,
Okay.
that's all.
Okay. 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 I will tell you.
Mhm. Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay. Sure. So let me add something into the same. Okay. So first of all, Daniel, what happened in generally what we can say. Suppose this is the customer and he's facing some challenges. Okay. Whatever XYZ, he will going to connect to your banking team or IT team, service team. Okay. Hey, I am facing some problem like that here. So you're right now your service desk. Okay. That's the service desk. Okay. That's first level of level one. They're going to be recording, they're going to be creating a ticket, they're going to be assign a ticket to the different teams. So that is we have talking about here. That's they're going to assigning the request to the incident management team. Okay. Hey, this incident happened, like Outlook is not working, it's not syncing, any problem, then incident will be triggered same time. So the incident team basically check it out, all those incident, what was the happen, what was the problem happening it, like it's a exchange problem, like it's a exchange server problem, or it's a user internal password issues, or the network issues, or you can say system issues, whatever they're going to be identify all those kind of issues same time. So example, this is the incident is going to be resolved, that's fine. Okay, well, first thing is the incident is resolved, that's okay. Okay, they're going to be close the ticket, that's fine, things are smooth in the operations. But suppose the incident is not going to resolve on the first level, okay, incident, what the next second thing, the second thing is like on say problem. Okay, problem management team, MGMT. So sir, we have problem management team. So the problem management team is assigned the ticket, and they will going to check, hey, whether it's a problem with the user, whether it's a problem with the server, and they're going to check some unknown errors, or it's unknown errors. It will be coming issues first time. It will be going to be not coming first time. It's a non errors. It's an unknown errors. What kind of issues is all about? So they will going to send some RCA. Do you know something about RCA, Danny?
RCA, responsible.
RCA is root cause analysis.
Oh, root cause analysis. Okay.
Okay, root cause analysis, like what was the root, what was the cause, how do you analyze all those things? Okay, so
Okay.
they find out the root cause analysis, my dear, in the problem management. Okay, this is a separate team, my dear, in the different enterprise level companies. Okay, so once the problem, they're going to check it out. Hey, this is the problem with the server, and server is hard disk is crashed, OS is crashed. Okay, or you can say server load is very high. Sorry. So server load is very high, server is crashed. So you have to, what happened? You have to replace the server. Understand? So problem management connecting to the team like change management. So change management is, we have different board. Okay, this change advisory board. They're going to be sitting like finance person, IT person, technical person, vendor. Everyone is going to be sitting together, and they're going to decide what to do. When we have to replace the particular server, or what we can do. Do we have an approval of the change? What's the costing will be coming? Who is the approver? How to roll back the plans? Okay, what is the things we can cannot doing it? So they're going to be discussion all those things. How do we change effectively? Right? So they're going to be creating the change rates. Okay, change request has been created over there in the companies. Okay, so before they're gonna making change it. Okay, the team is going to connecting to the configuration management team. Okay, configuration management team. So configuration management team is checking, hey, do we have any kind of configurations we have? Like this is the RAM, this is a hard disk, that's a storage, that is applications. We have to execute. I want this configuration server. Do you have? If you have in the store, you can let me know. Let's know. Or if you don't have, please arrange. They're going to connecting to the vendors, and they're connecting it. Okay. So this is what the step by step the processes will be going on in the company, and that is called the best practices. Okay, so as a PMO, as a governance person, suppose I am a company CISO, okay, a company CTO, okay, he wants resolutions. Okay, how the service transition, how is the service delivery happening it during the time? So delivery is smooth actually. Okay, transition should be smooth. It should be not taking too much time, and the transition as per the SLA, service level agreement. Okay, so as a code, as a vendor and the company should have a non-disclosure agreement. Okay, and they signed. So that's what I would say, that here ITL is basically is working like that here. Approach. And COBIT is all about how do you effectively, efficiently managing the governance, the goals, what to change, when to change, how to change, what is the policy, what is the right way of changing it, what's the process, what is the right process of changing it, okay, what is the right way of doing it. This is talking about COBIT. But what to change, when to change, this is the practically the service level deployment with the ITIL. I hope you understand both the differences all about.
So you mean the ITIL is a more practical and COVID is more governed and managed. Is
Yes,
that
it
right?
is. ITL is, you can say, it's like a methodology, best practices. Okay, best
Hmm.
practices, best practices. But you can say methodology. Only you can doing it, and it is more about the governance. Okay, more about talking about the top management. Okay, in the company we have some top management. What they want actually. If you align your security policies in the company, so you require corporate frameworks. Hey Mahesh, what should be the company goals, my dear? What is the company missions? Okay, and I have a IT strategies. Okay, I have a strategies, IT strategies, operational strategies, technical strategies. I have to deploy all my IT strategies with the help of the Corbett, because the Corbett have a company mission, company goals. What is your company goals, sir? I have to example, one more example I'm going to providing to you. Your banking right now, you're working in a bank, and your management say, hey Daniel, we have to open 5 new branches, new
Hmm.
branches, okay, and different city you can set here. Okay, so once they were talking about 5 new branches, you suddenly in your mind, hey, what should be my IT strategies? Okay, IT strategies. So how do I going to be align all those things step by step? Okay, you can say, Mahesh, I have to check the preparations, I'm doing it. I have to check the scope definition, whether the scope is available or not. Scope, in the scope we have lots of things, my dear. Feasibility study, internet connectivity, location, okay, service provider, everything you have to check it out before you do anything, right? So you know the company goals, you know company mission, and you have your all the IT strategies. IT strategies all are basically aligned with the this particular thing, my dear. Goals. So that's the COBIT is the right approach for how to doing it for the governance point of view, the scope definition point of view, the process point of view, and you can say top driven approach you can set here, and then the processes, objectives, and enablers you can set here. But ITL is talking about the services only. What kind of service? What is the right way of service? Like which is going to providing the value to the business actually. So that's the difference.
Okay. How about CMMI? Is it CMMI? Is it capability maturity model, right? It has a level 1 to 5, just like COVID. You also have one level 1 to 5. So what's different between COVID and CMMI?
Yeah, let me adding into this one moment. Wait a second, I'm just going to be saving somewhere, or that's fine. If I do you require this one or not? Do you require this one or not? Required? I
Sorry, quite what?
Do you want this one? This picture do you want or not?
I've captured it already.
Already captured. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine. That's fine, dear. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let me know the second question. What was the question?
Uh,
COVID or what
yeah.
it is?
The difference between COVID and